Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today I'm going to show you how, when my MacBook Pro 15 died, I was still able to edit and upload to YouTube. So the first thing I had to do, when realizing this was not going to work no matter what I did, was toss it out. Now that it's tossed out, we can bring in the iPad Air. So this is the 4th Gen 2020 version of the iPad Air. First thing I did was just connect a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. Worked seamlessly, and it's actually coming along quite well, so I would say that, if I had to, this is not a bad experience to use a keyboard and mouse with. So I opened up Imovie, and then I created a new project, so we'll just go in and look at it from a iPad screen recording. So the first thing you have to do is copy your content. So you can select, what it is you want from your media, and it'll pull it right into the project that you're working on. The way I got the intro and outro here was I connected my hard drive directly via USB-C to USB-A adapter. And so it was actually really cool to use files to be able to just copy a movie file over directly as if it was a normal computer. Once you get into the project here, you can see a few things. There are not very many buttons, first of all. And if you click help, you can actually see what the few buttons do. So what I'm going to go over are basically useful things that helped me and allowed me to edit much quicker on the next video that I did, which is the one I'm talking to right now. So the first thing you want to do is when you click edit and options, or when you share and click options, you can actually choose the export resolution. So I just wanted to make sure that I could export at 4K, and I could, so that was good. The next thing is that the video clips in between them have automatic transition. So you can click on that little two triangle that are facing each other, and those are the transitions. The yellow bar on the side, you can click and drag and shorten the videos. Wherever the scrubber is, if you click split, it'll split at that point. You can easily add effects, filters, text, all of these things just at the bottom. So it's very simple, but it has everything you need to get it done. Now, the hardest thing was rotating content. So it seems intuitive, but you actually have to do a very quick and keep your fingers close together, kind of flick to the left or right at the center of the screen so that you can turn the video clockwise or counterclockwise. So after many tries, I was finally able to do that. The other thing is, once you're used to this, it does get much quicker. But the first time it took me about an hour to an hour and a half to get this video edited. So I cut a lot of the editing out, but just moving things around, cutting them, rotating them, resizing them, all of these things took me a while to figure out for the first time. But once you get the hang of it, it is much quicker, and it's a very powerful thing to have on mobile. The coolest thing was the voiceover. So when you go and click that microphone on the left, it goes back 3 seconds in time, starts the video, and then counts down 3, 2, 1, and then it starts recording. So I just did this whole voiceover the same way as you're seeing here, and just recording straight into the microphones by talking to the screen. So that's about it. The other thing I did was, after exporting in 4K, I went straight to the YouTube app and uploaded. But I think it compresses it and only uploads a 1080p version. That's what I noticed. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and make sure to like and subscribe.